Imagine two roads, one leads to success, the other to failure. Surprisingly, they're nearly identical. The difference, starting the journey. Yes, the secret to getting ahead isn't complex algorithms or hidden knowledge, it's simply getting started. Picture this: a comfort zone. It's cozy, familiar, safe. But the truly great things in life, they're waiting outside of that comfort zone. They're in the realm of risk and effort, of daring and doing. Motivation isn't a rare gem, it's a choice. It's the decision to step onto that road, to leave that comfort zone. It's the understanding that the path to success and failure may look similar, but the journey, the experience, the growth, that's where the magic happens. Remember, the road doesn't dictate your destination, you do. So step forward, embrace the challenge, and start the journey today.